Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unlink Google Ads account from your YouTube channel. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Channel. Go to Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to Google Ads Account Linking section. Here you can view all the Google Ads account linked to your channel. Currently, we have linked one of our Google Ads account. To unlink the account, click the Unlink button next to it. Click Unlink again to confirm. As you can see, account has been unlinked. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been applied. This is how you can unlink Google Ads account from your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.